Home Remedies presents. Put this in your house and you will never see mosquitoes or flies again. Mosquitoes are best known for their bites. The bites themselves are the most common complaint about mosquitoes. One bite can be so distracting it ruins days or weeks of your summer. But mosquitoes are known as carriers of some of the world's most deadly diseases. When they bite two or more hosts, their saliva can transfer viruses between hosts, leading to serious illnesses. After trying this recipe, the mosquitoes and flies were simply gone. That's why we want to share this trick with you. But first, tell us which insects bug you the most in your house. Let's see how to make the remedy. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of cloves, 2 bay leaf, half cup of white vinegar, a glass of water. Directions: pour the water into a pot and add the 2 tablespoons of cloves and 2 bay leaves. Let it boil for about 10 minutes. Once done, let it cool down. When the mixture is cooled down, strain it and place it in a different container. Now add half cup of white vinegar and mix well. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and it's ready for use. Spray this water both indoors and outdoors. It can immediately kill mosquitoes and will repel them for several weeks. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.